Hey there guys, I have strep throat, so today's video will be presented by Oliver the AI. Today we'll be painting Taroya the Pit Fighter from Reaper miniatures to the tabletop level standard. First thing we want to do is use a scalpel or other sharp blade to trim the casting line off the model. Make sure you take care during this stage and only cut away from yourself. I've basecoated the whole model with cursed gold using my airbrush, but you can do this by hand if you prefer. Mix a wash of equal parts Swarthy flesh and dungeon grey, and wash this over the armor. When that is dry, lightly dry brush the armor with dragon gold. This involves wiping most of the paint off of your brush onto a rag, and gently flicking it over the surface of the model so only the raised areas catch the paint. Paint the base with a mix of Swarthy flesh and dungeon grey. Basecoat all the exposed skin areas on the model with Swarthy flesh. Paint her cloak, her loincloth, and the crest on her helmet with cinnamon red. Paint her leather boots, and both sides of her shield with dungeon grey. Paint her sword and the handle on her shield with tarnished steel. Make a wash with dungeon grey and wash this over the skin, red, and metal areas of the model. When that is dry, highlight her skin with bronzed flesh. Mix cinnamon red and volcanic orange together and highlight the red areas of the model, painting only the raised folds and edges of her cloak. And with that the model is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we will see you soon.